A year ago, I launched my Woodshop Therapy YouTube channel. During this time, I've shown you how to do various projects, such as fixing a broken chair, mixing paint for a paint sprayer, to building windowsills, a fireplace mantle, and our biggest project, a multi-part series on a complete staircase renovation. I've had a great year creating videos, and I want to thank you, my subscribers and viewers, for your support, for your positive comments and encouraging feedback. My wife and I are passionate about home improvements and working on projects that will add character and warmth to our home. These projects have been some of the most liked and viewed content, so we will be renaming our channel to reflect this. Woodshop Therapy will now be called Home Improvement Woodworking. We chose this name because we feel it better reflects who we are and what we do. We have some great projects planned coming ahead, so stay tuned. Until next time, enjoy your time in the workshop.